Daily English Sentences Lesson 1.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Tina. In this lesson, you will learn 10 daily English sentences that you can use in everyday life. Let's start learning English together.
Sentence number 1.
Good morning. Good morning.
The meaning. We say good morning when we greet someone in the morning. Example: Good morning, Sarah. How are you? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning.
Sentence number 2.
How are you? How are you? The meaning. We use this sentence to ask about someone's feeling. Example: How are you today, Lily? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. How are you? How are you?
Sentence number 3.
Thank you. Thank you. The meaning. We say thank you when someone helps us. Example: Thank you for your help. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Thank you. Thank you.
Sentence number 4.
Excuse me. Excuse me. The meaning. We say excuse me when we want to ask something politely. Example: Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sentence number 5. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The meaning. We say I'm sorry when we make a mistake. Example: I'm sorry, I'm late. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sentence number 6.
What is your name? What is your name? The meaning. We ask this when we meet someone for the first time. Example: Hello, what is your name? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. What is your name? What is your name? Sentence number 7. My name is Mark. The meaning. This is how you tell someone your name. Example: My name is Mark. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My name is Mark. My name is Mark. Sentence number 8. Nice to meet you. The meaning. We say this when meeting someone for the first time. Example: Nice to meet you. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Sentence number 9.
See you later. The meaning. We say this when saying goodbye. Example: See you later. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. See you later. See you later. Sentence number 10. Have a nice day. The meaning. This is a polite way to wish someone a good day. Example: Have a nice day. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos.